So, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In continuation of our topic, physical plant and its equipment. So, last time we have learned about physical plants and what were the requirements about its architectural design, its facilities we have done. So, today we'll discuss about equipment. So, first thing is environmental control. So, and ventilation, because in the last slide we have learned that there is a blower. They have to provide air conditions. So for that, the environment is well controlled. Air conditions are the pharmacy is desired, because whenever there is a pharmacy, it must be controlled environment with the help of support of air conditioning. So because it controls the required temperature, which is for the medicines, mostly maximum medicines are stored under the 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, and our atmosphere's temperature remains more than that. So to maintain that room temperature according to the requirement of stability of drugs, mostly the air conditioner are to be installed in various pharmacies. So another thing, it provides ventilation even when doors and windows are closed. So naturally, when you have closed door pharmacy, if there is no air system is low, there will be a poor ventilation. So what happens when you install air conditioners? They also maintain the ventilation in that pharmacy. Another thing, the use of various autoclaves. So first thing was that we were using air conditioner as equipment. Then we use various autoclaves, ovens, steam kettles. They render the working environment too hot. Sometimes it becomes too hot. So that they also control the temperature and ventilations. If there are air conditioners installed, it permits maintenance of the temperature compatible with official storage. So I told you that because it maintains the temperature required for maximum of the stability of medicines. Another thing, what they do, they helpfully adequately remove strong odors, characteristics of the chemicals used. Sometimes chemicals chemical lab reagents are in the pharmacy over there. So what they do, they remove strong odors, characteristics of the chemical used. The doors and windows can be kept closed. There can be a factor as saving in the cost of housekeeping service in the pharmacy. So when they are closed, so housekeeping means cleaning, and they have if they have reduced the cost of housekeeping service in pharmacy when they are a closed door pharmacy is there. You can see the various gadgets, various things are available in a pharmacy. How they are on the right side, there are the lab tubes in which these samples are collected. The drugs are placed in various containers. So further equipment planning. Now the main thing is that what equipment planning is in pharmacy, and subsequent purchase of major equipments for pharmacy is the joint responsibility of whose hospital administrator, pharmacist, purchasing agent of the material management department, and an architect. So these are the person who are responsible for the procurement of equipments, which are hospital administrator, the MS of the hospital, in our case, pharmacist, and the purchase agent of the material management department, and an architect. Equipment planning will largely depend on the numbers, varieties, per day duration of services offered from the hospital pharmacy. Type and number of equipment. The type and number of equipment can be evaluated on the basis of determinant of their relative significance and rating by classifying them into one, deserving essential considerations, requiring further study before being included or excluded, and sometimes can be included. Parameters of equipments. The following are the parameters which will dictate the equipment planning. What? Service options, choice of internal activities, workload, automation, work area, ways of communication and transport, environmental control requirements. Now, equipment selection criteria. Each equipment is carefully selected on the basis of some criteria as mentioned below. The first, efficient provision of services, affordable operating cost, requiring minimal maintenance, offering maximum safe performance. Required. So equipment required for pharmacy are recognized into what? Yes, fixed equipment and second movable equipments. You can see in the right side picture different type of stethoscope is there, chemical dropper is there, vaccination is there, thermometer is there, bandage, scissors, crutches, laboratory, medi- medications, pharmacology. So many types of equipment are required in various departments. So fixed equipment are the equipment required installation and is attached to the building is called fixed equipment, which are cabinets, counters, sinks, elevators, as per the requirement of the. So what they need? Cabinets, counters, sinks, elevators, etc., etc. Electrical equipment safety. Compliance with the NFPA, National Fire Protection Association, is a start in the right direction. X-ray machines, another monitoring equipment, electric beds. These are all are needed in a pharmacy, in a hospital. These equipments should be special attention should be given to the countertops, and these must be one offer resistance to corrosion and abrasion, withstand impact without flaking or peeling, no or little effect of high humidity, high color retention, quality of color to resist appreciable discoloration, must have the abrasion resistance finish coat, region resistance finish coat to acids, alkalis, oils, and solvents. Now, movable equipments are capable of being moved and are not intended to be permanently fixed to the building. Example, carts, decks, balances, mixers. These are movable equipments. Other, utilities, electric lighting and services, transport system, plumbing, finishes, work counters, floors, walls, electric lighting and services, smooth and safe functioning of any activity require the appropriate electric lighting and sufficient number of ground outlets. Lighting is based on the location, operation, and environment. For critical work, areas such as prescription, dispensing area, manufacturing area, intravenous administration area, ground electrical outlets should be provided in all areas in which use of electrical equipment may be indicated. Transport system for pharmacy to various destinations in hospitals with the help of messenger, porter, or helper in less efficient and time consuming. Modern technology has made available automated means of transporting, including conveyor belt and pneumatic tube system. These are used in all pharmaceutical manufacturing units of country, but not yet in hospital pharmacy. Drugs and supplies can convey through moving belts to the nursing station and desired destinations. Plumbing, the system of pipeline for the supply of water to desired areas and disposal of waste. Pharmacy has to advise architect about details and requirement of points for hot and cold water for pharmacy and nature of material which will be disposed of through the various waste lines. Finishes work counters, the work counter in pharmacy for writing, dispensing, counting of drugs, receipt of drugs. It should be such material that does not show peeling, distortion, erosion, or sticking. For these units, Pharmica or similar material is efficient and durable. Floors. Floors should be smooth, non-slippery, stain-resistant, asphalt tile, vinyl tiles, rubber tiles, and heavy-duty li- linoleum. Carpeting of floors gives aesthetic impact in the pharmacy. The manufacturing room should be supplied with covered drain system. Walls should be painted with material that permits periodic washing without losing the color. Ceramic tiles or other comparable materials should be used.